你好, welcome to my channel. I'm Yao. My first language is Mandarin Chinese. I'll show you how to write time-related characters in traditional Chinese in the following 2 videos. Start with second, minute, and hour. 秒, 分, 时. They might be complicated for beginners, but don't worry. I'll divide them into smaller parts and easier to understand. Before I start to write, I would like to share with you the number of strokes for the most frequently used characters. The average is around 8 to 9 strokes, and I'll make it as 3 stars. If there are not many strokes, it's 1 star. On the contrary, if it's complicated, 5 stars. I'll show the ones with more than 3 stars twice. The first one is 秒. Second, the left part is the radical called 和, and it means grains. The lower part is 木, and adds 撇 on the top of 木 to make it 和. To memorize 和, you may imagine when the grains are straw, yellow-colored, they bow their heads. The right part is 少. It means not many or a short time. A second is not much. Fen means minute. As a verb, fen means to divide. Its radical is dao, and it means a knife. We use a knife to divide. For the upper part, do you still remember ba? I showed you in the previous video, and it is the number 8. To remember fen, divide something with a knife into 8 pieces in a minute. What comes to your mind? For me, it's a pizza. I hope it helps you to remember fen. The final one is 时, hour. The left part is the radical 日, and that means sun or day. Please remember 日 because it's an essential character in Chinese. You may see it often. 日 is a pictograph of the sun. The right part is 四. It means a temple. Its pronunciation is similar to 时. 时 is the second tone, while 四 is the fourth tone. It's the end of this week. Do you enjoy it? Let's check them again. They are 秒, 分, 时. I'm going to write day, week, month, and year in the next video. If you find my videos are informative, welcome to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Bye bye.